in this triangle left, we'll make a boilerplate once again. We'll set the title to triangle left. Okay, and we'll link to left.css to style it, and we'll make a div try left. Okay, let's save this and let's go live. Okay, now we'll study that how triangle left actually looks like. So here is triangle left. Okay, so this is basically a triangle left, and as you can see, all the color, all the width is applying from the right side over here. Hopefully you can understand that what I am saying. I'm saying that the all color is applied from the right side and not from the top or from the bottom. So we'll apply all the color from border right. Okay, so let's go to left.css and we'll target try left. Okay, here is try left, and we'll set the width to 0 once again. We'll set the height to 0, and after that what we can do is we'll write here border right. Remember, no border bottom or no border top. Border right will be 100 pixels solid black. Okay, now we'll do it for border top and not border left, because there is no left side over here. There is just border right, border top and border bottom. Okay, let's set the border top to 50 pixels solid transparent, and we'll do alt shift down and we'll just change this top to bottom. Now let's save this and let's see what's the result. We are completely done with our triangle left, which is pointing to the left side, right?